Staying with Ojwang's case, Officer Commanding Central Police Station Samson Taalam has been detained until Wednesday, 18th June, awaiting a pre-charge bail application ruling. Taalam, who was arrested last Friday, is among suspects being investigated over the death of teacher Albert Omondi Ojwang, who died in police custody a week ago. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and the Independent Policing Oversight Authority want the court to allow Taalam's 21-day continued detention to ensure the security and integrity of the case. The technician who was hired to tamper with the surveillance footage at the Central Police Station has also been arraigned at the Kibera Law Court. Here's that report.
Samson Taalam had his day in court on Monday. Shortly after 11 a.m., the officer commanding the Nairobi Central Police Station calmly took to the dock as investigation into the death of Albert Ojwang gathered momentum.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God, the evidence I shall give before this court.
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, led by Senior Prosecuting Counsel Juma Victor Owiti, urged the court to grant the Independent Policing Oversight Authority investigator Abdirahman Jibri 21 days to detain Taalam.
There is a potential criminal trial, and this is the quadruple interest. Number one, the rights of the accused individual, in this case the respondent, who is likely to be charged in a potential criminal trial.
Potential witnesses, the police officers who are on duty, and any other person who was at the vicinity at Central Police Station.
Trial Magistrate Ben Makehobi was informed that Taalam, being the custodian of the greatest police station in Kenya, has influence and could jeopardize the ongoing investigations.
All offenses in Kenya are bailable, but there is no greater need for self-preservation where a police officer, no less than the officer commanding the station, is intended to be likely charged with the offense of murder.
The court was also told that the false entry of the occurrence book by his subordinates and interference with the CCTV footage should be compelling reasons for his custody. However, the Central Police boss, through his lawyers led by Felix Kiprono and Clay Fombet, argued that the 21 detention is not warranted.
Investigations have not adduced any cogent reasons necessitating continued detention of the respondent.
But they're telling you something else that is imaginary, that they are yet to get some other witnesses who they are going to record their statements. What does that show you, Your Honor? That the OCS does not have the names of those witnesses or does not know them.
The defense further urged the court to grant Taalam pre-charge bail, stating that he is innocent until proven otherwise and has so far cooperated with the investigators.
So at 2 p.m. on the 18th of June, on Wednesday.
The development comes even as a technician was hired to tamper with the surveillance footage at the Central Police Station was also arraigned on Monday at Kibera Law Court. This now brings to 3 suspects who are now in custody over the murder of teacher cum social media influencer Albert Omondi Ojwang. Taalam, who has been in service for 29 years now, will be remanded at Langata Police Station, even as calls for DIG Eliud Lagat and the DCI officers that picked Albert Ojwang in Homa Bay County continue to mount for them to be presented in court. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Court.